Hello guys, you are welcome back to this section. In this video, we are looking at WASSCE 2021 Q10b. So if you are new here, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and share. Hit the like button, subscribe and share. So let's zoom straight away. Let's read the question. It says the following are arranged in order of size. You have x minus 2, 4, x plus 2, and then you have 2x plus 1 and 9. And the question is saying, or it keep on saying that if the median is equal to the mean, find the value of x. If the median is equal to the mean, find the value of x. So these are the values that we have here. We have what? X minus 2, right? We have 4. We have x plus 2. Hope that is clear. Then we also have 2x plus 1. And we have, lastly, we have what? 9. We have 9. So let's say comma, or shall we? 9. All right. So these are the numbers that we have arranged in order. So mean that this is the least value, that's x minus 2. Then it move on to the greatest value, right? So let's find the median out of these what data. So I can say that to find the median out of these data, we are looking out for the middle number. So I'll start from x minus 2. So x minus 2 to 4, then I'll end here. Now I'll count at the back side of the data. So I have 9, then 2x plus 1, I'll also end there. So I'll also end here. So mean that the median is what? X plus. So therefore, median is equal to x plus 2, not 4, x plus 2. So that is median. So after getting the median, we proceed to find the mean. So to find the mean, that is x bar, is going to be summation of what? Your values of x over what? N. Summation of the values of x over n. Is that okay? It's going to be, so it's going to be x minus 2 plus 4 plus x plus 2 plus 2x plus 1 plus 9, all divided by, remember how many terms or how many data sets were we having here? We're having what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So out of what? 5. So after that, you break it down. So I can say that here I'll group x values or x terms. So I can have x1 here, I also have another x here, I also have what? 2x. Is that okay? And I also have negative 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 all over 5. So now let's deal with the operations. So x plus 2 is going to give me what? 4x plus, so negative 2 plus 2 is going to give me what? Positive 2 plus 2, 4, 5. 5 plus 9 is going to give me what? 14. So 14 out of 5. And this becomes your mean. So therefore your mean is what? 4x plus 14 over 5. So once you're able to get this, the question is now saying that median is equal to what? Mean. So we should find the value of x. So therefore the value of x is going to be 4x plus 14 out of what? 5 is going to be x plus what? 2. Is that okay? That's the mean. The median, sorry. The median was what? X plus 2. So in that case, I can say that here is out of 1, right? So I can say that 5 will multiply x plus what? 2. And it's going to be 1 also multiplying 4x plus what? 14. So I'm going to expand both. So it becomes what? 5x plus 10. That's going to be 4x plus what? 14. So I can say that here 5x are group like terms with respect to the x. So the 4x will join. So it's going to be 14 minus 10. So therefore I can conclude by saying that x is equal to what? 4. So therefore the value of x is 4. Therefore the value of x is 4. the value of x. The value of x isn't right. The value of x is 4. So let's take note of that. So that is the value of what? X is 4. Is 4. So this is where we end this presentation. So if this video was helpful to you, please go ahead to hit the like button, subscribe and share. Hit the like button, subscribe and share. Hit the like button, subscribe. So I'll see you. Bye bye.